Hi, this is Oliver Investments. Please take a moment to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. First stock on the list, SBEV. Um, they went into a deal with Walmart to put their products on the shelves in Florida, which I don't know how many drinks they plan on selling in just Florida to have the price double, but that's what it did. Uh, anyway, so it went from like $1.10 to $1.98 pre-market. Sort of a new high, uh, then a lower high, a higher low, and then this, that would have been the breakout, but it sort of just rolled off over on us instead. So and then it didn't do anything too exciting. And then TSRI announced earnings. And I know this looks like a couple nice spikes here, but if you look here, this chart over here doesn't. I don't know if you want to call this the 10-second chart, or I don't know how many exactly. What time frame exactly this is, but I mean, unless you had just placed a limit order, for like 1447 or something, I don't think anybody was really quick enough to catch those spikes. So most everybody probably didn't do too well on that one. ACCD, this one, this is just a continuation from yesterday. They had announced earnings, and everybody, leading up into them, everybody sort of, I guess, underestimated the company, sort of, is how I feel about it. So, I mean, it's still, I don't know, I guess it has some room to at least get back where it was. I mean, I feel like it could go, it could continue to go higher, but I haven't gone in and actually read the actual report. Sometimes I read the report and then I go back and I look at the earnings, and sometimes there's money, there's a lot of expenses or something that they're not telling you about, or something. But anyway, I just haven't actually read it. Okay, BDTX. They're doing a lung cancer study. The FDA gave them, I guess, the go-ahead to proceed with whatever they're doing. So it went from, it's like around like 450 to 590 pre-market, and pulled way back. And let's see, I know this is sort of like a double top here. However, I feel more like it's sort of like just like rejecting VWAP there. I mean, some people might feel like it's gonna. I mean, it's not good that that's way under, your pre-market high and all that. But I mean, I wouldn't expect to do anything, too exciting with that. Let's see. BBW. This is why I don't really like to trade the first 5 minutes. Started to look like it was going to take off there, and just sort of fell off. And it's the highest it's been, like, at least like within the past year. Let me see if we can go back any further. Yeah, it hasn't been in here in like, I don't know, it might be the highest it's ever been. So it's kind of frustrating that it just sort of faked everybody out like that, and then just came all the way back down. A DERM hit the high day MOMO scanner here in the afternoon. And so nice move from like $5 area up to $5.95. And then, I'm sure, by the time this hit anybody's scanner, and you noticed that, action had probably kind of been over, but it did make another move in the afternoon. So it's DERM. I'm not seeing any news on this one. Yeah. Let's see what this line's doing here. Okay, and a couple nice moves on PIK. Yeah, they got halted once around like right after 1 o'clock. Okay, so I guess they'd been. I guess they fell off yesterday. You know, the whole sector just wasn't doing too good. So it's kind of, you know, nice that it was, you know, probably like undervalued, you know, to start with. So it was a nice clean move up from it's like 460 area up to like 670. So it's, you know, it's just, it makes a nice little breakout, holds, does it again. It was very very forgiving. Hard to I don't think anybody lost money on this one. And then after hours, it started doing it again. So yep, so that's all I have for today. This is all our investments. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys back out tomorrow. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody.